Royal Caribbean predicting smooth sailing ahead after reporting fourth quarter earnings today. The cruise line operator predicting earnings per share will grow at least 40% this year. Naftali Holtz, Royal Caribbean's CFO, is joining us now. Naftali, thank you for being here. I want to talk about the year and the demand that you're seeing here because the shares have been sort of up and then down today. And I have seen analysts express some concern that it's going to be tough as the year goes on to just match the demand that you have been seeing thus far. Can you talk me through the trajectory you're expecting for growth for this year?
Hi, Julie. First, great to be with you. I think as you noted, we just finished reporting our earnings, and I think 2023 can only be described as an exceptional year. We saw acceleration of demand, and it really accelerated through the year, and we ended the year very, very strongly. With yield growth more than 3.5 times what we initially expected, earnings double what we expected at the beginning of the year. And the momentum continued into 2024, and we are now experiencing a record wave period. And the best 5 weeks, booking weeks in the company's history were actually since the last earnings call. And that is really talking to the strength of our brands, the demand for our vacation, and just the health of the consumer. So we're seeing it across the board. We're seeing it in interest in our vacations, in booking trends, in pricing, and just the behavior on the ships once the customers are coming online. So we're seeing an exceptional demand, and we're very excited to continue to grow yields this year and revenue and earnings 40% year over year.
So, Naftali, demand sounds strong. I am interested to hear about what you're seeing internationally, Naftali, kind of the trends there, especially given, of course, the geopolitical conflicts we're seeing.
Yeah, we see continued strong demand actually across the board. Obviously, the American consumer has been exceptionally strong, and we continue to see that in some of our Caribbean itineraries. But even when we look into other areas around the world where we sell and the guests that we're sourcing from, we're seeing really strong booking trends, again, volume and prices across all our key itineraries, Caribbean, Europe, Alaska, et cetera. So it's really broad-based and really just speaks to demand across the board.
And you all have said, and you said today in the conference call, that the impact of what's going on in the Red Sea in particular is not that it's not a huge impact for Royal Caribbean. Is that just, for lack of a better word, is that just luck that you don't happen to have a lot of cruises moving through that area?
Well, like last year, when obviously the conflict started in the Middle East, we actually repositioned several ships from the region, so we don't have any ships sailing there. So that already happened last year. So really what is remaining is a few ships, smaller ones, that are need to cross the Suez Canal in the spring and the fall seasons. And we continue to watch that. And of course, the safety of our customers is our top priority. And we continue to monitor the situation and make adjustments as needed. But our guidance and the way we run the business is not for a perfect environment, and so we plan for a lot of things throughout the year, and it's already included in our guidance for the year.
And Naftali, when I think about your competition, of course it's it's other cruise operators. It's also, Naftali, just traditional land-based vacation. What are the trends you're seeing there? Are you all taking share?
Yeah, our focus is actually not on what the other cruise lines are doing. Our opportunity and what we think is for us growth opportunity for the years to come is really stealing share from the land-based vacations. So the way we design our ships, our experiences, is really geared towards attracting the consumer and competing with land-based vacation. So we believe that we have continued to do that. Icon of the Seas just came last week. Really, this is going to be the ultimate vacation experience anywhere on the planet. So we continue to see that strength, and we want to keep stealing share from land-based vacation. And we believe we have the right products in the market to make sure that the consumers are going into our ecosystem. There's a pretty significant gap to land-based vacation in terms of pricing, and we think that that's another opportunity. So the value proposition is just remarkable, and with the experiences we have, we think we can continue to steal share from them.
Naftali, are you on the Icon right now? Or are you on what ship are you on right now?
Yeah, so I actually was on Icon last week. With a family, it was an exceptional experience.
Well, I want to
right now I'm on Celebrity Summit. She will go into the 7-night Caribbean, but Icon is just remarkable, and so we're very, very excited to make sure that we deliver the best vacations here to our customers.
I want to ask you about Icon a little bit more, because obviously there was a lot of excitement about that ship, it being the largest, right, that has ever sailed. What does that bring to the experience? Why is sort of bigger better in this case? And what do you expect from a revenue and earnings perspective is that ship going to do for you?
Yeah. It's really what I said. It's the ultimate family vacation, and there's something for everybody to do. If you have a young family, maybe you're more interested in the Surfside neighborhood, which is more for young families, or maybe just the adult-only section, Hideaway. So there's really an amazing, experiences for everybody. It just takes it to the next level. The amount of food and beverage venues, the pools, the activities that we have, the Aquadome, which is my and my family's favorite. It's just taking it to the next level, and that's really the way we've designed those experiences. Every ship we bring, and obviously Icon is just kind of taking it to the next level, is expected to deliver tremendous financial results and accretive to our company as we continue to grow the business. So we're very excited to make sure that we deliver on the experiences and obviously delivering great financial results.
Naftali, it was great to have you on the show today. Thank you so much for your time and insight.